Hi everyone, these are the QALLY Blue Light blocking glasses that I got from Amazon. So I'm gonna open the package, show you what comes in the package, and then I'm gonna be testing them, show you how they look. So let's open the box. And this is the box. Unfortunately, as you saw, I just opened the package in front of you, and this box was already opened. So these are a returned item, in my opinion. These are the glasses. So the lens of the glasses is a clear lens, and this is a metal frame. It is really nice. It really looks good. So this here is a microfiber cloth, and you have also a carrying pouch for the glasses. So these are the glasses up close. This is the inside here. The design is in Italy, it says. So now I wore the glasses, as you see. So these glasses, as I said, they are clear. So you can see just a little bit of a tint here, but when you use them, I don't see any like color difference than without the glasses. I've been wearing them now for about 2 hours. They seem good. They have a bit of light reflection in the lenses. It is bothersome sometimes, but you can get used to it. So for now, they seem okay. If you want to check out these glasses, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Thank you for watching.